Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the environment. Make sure you have admin rights and back up the current cursor set to a folder called Cursor Backup. Once done, open Settings or Control Panel and go directly to Mouse, then the Pointers tab so you're positioned to change icons. Make sure you've downloaded cur or any files and place them in a stable folder you control. You do this now because Windows expects specific formats and locations. Making a backup avoids losing a working cursor. You continue by assigning each pointer role one at a time. Click Normal Select, Busy, Text Select, or another role, then press Browse and navigate to your downloaded cur or any file. Once you select a file, you'll see an immediate preview. This confirms correct format and size. Make sure to repeat this for every role you want to replace. When you've assigned all pointers, save the collection as a new scheme name, such as My Cursor Set, so you can restore or switch schemes quickly later. You finish by clicking Apply and then OK, and immediately test the cursor in multiple apps and an elevated prompt so you confirm consistency. If the new icons don't appear, restart Explorer, sign out and back in, or run the pointer settings with admin rights to ensure permissions aren't blocking changes. Make sure to keep your cursor backup and export the scheme. If a cursor remains stubborn, replace it with a known good cur or any file. This step prevents unusable or invisible pointers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.